So here's something I've been doing for quite a while in the winter. I have 3 milk cartons and I fill them half full with water, and in the winter time I put one out at a time, and they freeze solid as a rock, and I put one in my refrigerator to keep the refrigerator from running, and it works pretty well. I also have one in my freezer all year round, so this keeps your refrigerator from running, but it also keeps your freezer from running as much, so your food will be slightly de-thawed. It won't be rock hard. And I've only had these break like twice in at least 5 years that I've been doing this, so I figure all the days of the winter I've only had these break twice on me. And you're opening the refrigerator so much that it's just a small amount of water. It's not, these take a few days to totally melt. So alright, if you want to save some electricity, filling your empty milk cartons with water and putting them outside, and you have one outside while the other's inside, save a little electricity. I also started doing this by putting snow in my fruit drawers, and snow works too, but this is way easier. So you don't have to put snow in your fruit drawers. Okay, give us a try.